Welcome everyone to the FORCE 2020 meeting number 52. I welcome everyone. In this meeting, we have a fantastic agenda. Let me share this agenda with all of you. Our first talk will be from George from Japan. Are you ready to present, George, in 2 minutes?
Yes.
Excellent. The next one will be Brad Rodriguez from Canada. And in the third place, we have Richard, also from USA, I think in Colorado, with a fantastic NASA stuff. This is a simulator, a force-made simulator of a space shuttle, a small space shuttle from Sierra Nevada, HL-20. And then we have Rob Probing from UK also with remote force. After a short coffee break of 15 minutes, we have Ken Bogue from UK also with his Mint development. Very interesting. After Ken, we have Frank Capel with a Blockly-based force language. Very interesting also. We have Julian from Colombia with new developments of his standalone force computer. And in the end, Brad's Corner, Jot BLK, a place for ideas and notes. Very, very interesting. So everyone, here is the FORCE 2020 beginning with our friend from Japan, George Philip Orais. So George, I stop my sharing here and I pass you the mic, okay?
Oh, okay. Okay, so can you see my screen? So yeah, today I gonna have two topic, which is Kolorscript and GA144 board. So today, first is about Kolorscript. So if you can remember when I have this title Kolorscript, where everything is simple from installation to running your code. So today I'm gonna demo on why I have said this statement regarding Kolorscript. And second demo is about this my green array board. So I'm just going to demo about blinking LED using Arifort. So yeah, it's very not so interesting, but I think it will be interesting because it's using Arifort. So yeah, I think let me start the demo. First is about installation. So yeah, I have already installed Visual Studio because Kolorscript needs Visual Studio. So for people doesn't have Visual Studio, you can download Visual Studio here, and it's available for the 3 major OS. So it's very easy to install. Then after installing Visual Studio, you just go to here extensions. Then you just type Kolorscript, and from here you can see it's found, and you can click install. And sorry. And then it's installed, and just select the default dark because then it's already installed. Then if I open one, I already have this code. So Fibo. So as you can see, it's already colored. And if we can try, after that, we can try load this file, this file. Oh, sorry. Because this is a new installation, I sometimes need to stop VS Code, and I have to reopen it. Sometimes it's like that. So okay, I reopen it, and I have to press F2 to load. Now we don't see anything because we didn't called fib. So maybe we can put some yellow, then yellow words like that. Like these yellow words means immediate words. So if we run this, it should. Oh no, I didn't put that to show here in output. So yeah, fib is 34. So yeah, it's that easy. Like if you just press F2, and so yeah, let me try just create a new file and then call it hello.ks, just the usual hello world. So yellow world as hello hello world, and then another yellow dot because it's just an intermediate word, the yellow. So let us try create a let me try create a code to show all the colors, like example maybe person.ks, and then we have a maybe person that name. It's a blue in Kolorscript means constant. So we just like George, and then we create a variable which is purple. So maybe person, then age. Then we just to create a purple, we need two spaces, which is initialized by yellow, which is like 44. And then we create a function which is red word. So maybe introduction. So there's if you need a tree, it's easy to change colors. Like blue is one dot, and then red. Then like we put the here as a stuck yeah, this one string, and then we just code it like hi, my 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 name is. So strings are also very easy, just this. And then when you use the constant, you use it as a yellow, uh, and then we add these two. It's like concatenating these strings, and then maybe another string, and then maybe for this purple also we need use yellow, but we need to fetch because this is a variable, a constant, no need to fetch. And then we concatenate again, then we can put years. And so yeah, I think like that. Then we can close this intro with this. And if we call this one in as a yellow just to execute, uh, then display this, and we should show it should show oh main, uh, I think I missed this plus here. Okay. So yeah, uh it's very the point here is it's very easy to create constant, variable, and strings, and create define a word which is red. And these are just comments. And if you want to comment out a specific word, you just add another space, because three dots before a word becomes a gray. And if you want to comment out all the, you need four or more space before that. So yeah, I think that's one thing it makes simple. And And next is like how about loading a code from another code? So example, maybe create another one, temp. Then and what if we want to instead here we just maybe we name this as person dot intro, and then we load this file from here. So we just need to specify the file name pers, pers person.ps, and then it's if you notice it's yellow because it will be executed in compile time. So it loads this one, and then we can call this one as a yellow from here. Um, so if we load this, maybe we can clear this out first. And if we F2, then it will show this. So it's easy to load other codes from this file. And how about if we load we can also load a folder containing codes so that it will be loaded one time. So we can also I had this folder containing animals, so maybe we can animals. So it's a folder, then just load. And then if we press F2, oh no, it doesn't. So ah, so there, if we check the another simplicity of Kolorscript is we have these function keys like F2 is the one I used for loading the focused file, and F6 is showing the built-in and loaded words. So I did F2, then if I press F6, it will show me the all the built-in and also the loaded words. Like I loaded person, and inside animals I had these files. So and these are the words defined in this file. So maybe we can also try this and see what it provide. It says it will provide a string, so maybe we can also do that. So if I press F2, it just show the chicken sound clock. And so yeah, so my point here, it's very easy to load a bunch of code. Just put it inside a folder, and it will load all the files. So no, so it will go recursively. So yeah, that's one thing I would like to show. And yeah, so that's for loading. And next is sorry. Um reading files. So yeah, it's also very easy for reading files. Let me just use this existing example I used for Forte. So here you can see I have a data text. It's just a text file containing numbers. This is useful like if you like try solve uh, some problems from Advent calendar. This one is so usually they provide data as text, and you want to read this and use it for computation. So yeah, it's very easy. We have this. I have this Word open file which needs the name of the file, and it will provide you the file ID. And from that file ID, we can use it for this word read line, and go through. Read line will read one line per line, and it will provide the length of the of the string that is read, and if it's the last line, it will provide 0. So that's why it's used here in if. So yeah, let me try this one. So it's just the calculation is just to add the numbers here, like 10, 50. So if we run this, we'll show 150. So which is, yeah, the sum of this. Yeah. So yeah, a reading file, uh, any file as long as it's text like CSV or so it's very easy. And so okay. And what else? So yeah, regarding, let me also show that here for the function keys, we have a way to toggle to normal or blind mode. So it's F8. So F8, I'm not sure if you can see the difference. Like for constant, for blue, purple, and red, it's underlined. And for yellow, it becomes bold. And for comments, the gray becomes italic, while green is just left normal. So yeah, it's just another way for that distinguish.
Color blind mode.
Yeah, but if you wonder what's the difference between constant variable and word definition, because all of them have underlined the same. So the only difference is you need to count how many spaces between the. So for constant, there's one, then for variables two, and three for word definition. And another, yeah, another is sometimes you prefer dark or light, so we can use F9, so it shows the light or dark. So that's one thing. And yeah, F10 is reload recently loaded file. Is like if there's a case that you're working, you're changing something on the, like example here. Uh, so if you use F2, you need to focus on which file you want to load. So if you go here, F2, then you want to change something in person. So maybe we change this to we add something. Then you don't need to go back to here. You just press F10. Then it will load temp S. So you don't need to focus the you don't need to focus the file again. So anywhere you are, if you press F10, it will load the previously loaded file using F2. So which was this? So what else? Yeah. Go to definition. For this, so if I put here, it's either we can press F12, so it will go to the file where it's defined. And you can also use the mouse and go to definition. It will also go to the file where this was defined. And if we use F12 on some on some uh, native word, a built-in word, if we press go to definition, like swap, it shows the how it is implemented in JavaScript. So here swap, then there's just this, you pop the two and push it in the other way. So yeah, that's one thing. And so yeah, those are reading files, then fetching data from internet, which is also useful. So it's also very easy in, sorry, it's also very easy in Kolorscript. So let me use this. This is actually, let me clear this. This link is actually from Finance Yahoo. So if we open this in the browser, it looks like this. So we get like, I think this is JSON data. So usually, yeah. So for here, it's very easy. We just I had this word HTTP get. Then if we try this, then it shows, it reads here the same content from what we saw here. And another also regarding fetching data, like from this service. So it's about the MACD. Usually they provide some code examples like what you, if you fetch the data, they provide some sample on when you're using curl or you using Python, Go or JavaScript. But if we want to do this in Kolorscript, we just go to this example from curl and just copy this uh, this get, and here we just put it here, a string. Oops. Oh, wait. So if we just use this, then it will get this. And if you see here, it's just the same as when we try this query here. Uh, it will provide this like timestamp this, which is the same as here, timestamp. So it's very easy. You have this word HTTP get, and you just provide the same string that is needed for curl command, which is very useful these days if using REST API. And what else? Okay, for fetching data, then yeah. Also, I also did. It's easy to do SSE. Like I have this demo earlier, so it's very this SSE is just a very simple sorry simple HTML. And so SSE is like we can update the display on this browser without uh, clicking refresh. So to do that, let let me I'll find my test on that. Sorry, I think should have I've, I should have but sorry, I forgot to here it's here. So yeah, so this is SSE server sorry serve sorry I lost my here. So this is the code. So first is I have this word SSE listen. This is to start the SSE server, and we can use this SSE send. So if I do this, sorry, let me try. Is it working? So here, so you see this browser updated the data without clicking refresh. So if I do like remove this and then F2, then it will update the browser without pressing refresh. So yeah, so it's easy in Kolorscript. You just have these two words like SSE listen and SSE send. And so then I think last is about the latest word that I created, which is say. So I think everyone saw this, but let me just demo it here again. So I have
George,
this word say.
let me say one thing. Please show us a little bit of GA144 because we are short on time.
Okay. So yeah, I think just this last. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let me proceed with so that was for Kolorscript. So let me proceed with GA144. Let me change my sorry, where is this? Stop. Let me change my camera to this. Can you see my camera? It's showing the J144, my camera. And so yeah, let me confirm.
It's just a black screen.
Yes. Let me check the on which port. So I'm using the target. So it's COM7 and see. So yeah, it's correct, the settings. So yeah, let me open this one. So can you see this?
Yep.
So
Shut
yeah,
more.
so this is the Arifort color fort Arifort. So first, so yeah, I am connecting the LED to the, because the GA144 has two the evaluation kit has two GA144. So one is the host and one is the target. So now today I'm using the target because the pin IO is accessible. So I connected the LED. So I connected the LED on node 500, which is this pin 517, and the LED is it's connected to ground, so we need to provide high here. So first I need to load the target and load, then which loads the for the target, then do a talk which resets the target chip and download the node talker. And then let's show the panel. So this is the panel. As you can see here, there's a, so yeah, this is the panel. Sorry, is my, hello? Oh, okay. So then let me hook the node 500 so that we can talk to the node. So I use path 0, then node 500, then hook. Use this. So now you can see here, 500 node is hooked to this 707, which is 707. Oh no, oh yeah, from here is because we use the UART, so it's from here and then go to 500. So there are 10 nodes from there, so that's why it shows 10 here. So then we can use update to show the data stack from that node, which is now this. And then we use if we want to fetch the RAM, we can use this question mark RAM. So these are the RAM content of 500. So yeah, let's try to turn on for now, maybe we can turn on the LED first using the IDE. So we can set, so we need to, because this is pin 17, so we need to set, and then we need to set the 1 so that to set it to BDD so that it will turn on. So to do that, we need first to set as a hex number, so F1. So here hex, then 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, then IO, then register. So can you see my video? The LED is turned on. So
No.
you cannot see
Yes,
my
no,
video.
I see it.
Okay, then let me turn it off. So it's just 0 to make it high impedance, the pin, and then IO, then register right. So it's turned off. So yeah, that's the first step. So we are able to confirm that LED can turn on, turn off. Then after that, I wrote the code for doing that. So the code is in the block 856. So let me go 856 list. Oh, sorry. No. Now because we are still in hex, so let me go back to decimal. So 856 list. So this is the code for the blink. So as you can see, toggle is just using OR, but actually this is XOR. So we XOR the the 3300 hex so that it will toggle the LED. And B here, B register is pointing to the IO. So that's why we just write it here. And we have the delay, and this go is the one that will be executed. So yeah, there's two ways to load this using boot. So let me do that. Um, so okay, let me, because there's this. So let me do that. So but yeah, after we create this code, we need to set that in one block and in a block where all the application codes are loaded. So it's in 200. So we go there, which is here. So let me edit this one because as of the moment I commented it out, which is this white. So oops. So I will change this to yellow. So it means it will be loaded. So 856. So let me do a save. So yeah, then that's so the my block will be loaded during compile. So uh yeah, let me go back to the panel. And yeah, we're still so if we do a question mark RAM, yeah, it's still like this. So let me try compile, and then after compile we need to load the program into this node. So using boot command. So first is where it starts, which is 0, then the number of words to be loaded on the RAM, then which node, and then boot. So then it's already in the RAM. So if we do a RAM question mark again, sorry, question mark RAM. Yeah, as you can see, this is the code. This is the code. The one I wrote. So it's already in the RAM. But if you see the board, it didn't blink yet. So we need to start. We need to call the go function. So which is we can go back. We can check 856 list. So the go function, and you can see the gray words here, this is actually the location of the address of location in the RAM. So this will be updated after compiling. So the go is B, starts at B. So we can do a 0B call. So we can do it's a hex. So we need to F1. So 0B, then call. Um, sorry, 0B call. Is it correct? 0B. Sorry, let me try again. 0B call. Um, Let me try. Sorry, why did it? Another way is also using the IDE script to load the program, which is located here. 858 list. Oh no. It's still hex. So 858 list. This is a script to automatically load the program and run it immediately. So let me load this one. So 858 load. And after that, I can execute run. So here, yeah. So it's blinking. So yeah, I think that's all. If you have any question, yeah, you can let me know if there's still time.
Fantastic, excellent demonstration. Let's go to the questions. Christian Hinze is writing on the chat many questions.
Okay.
Who else has a question for George? Atli, go ahead.
No, I was following that first part with the script, but I was able to install it while you were doing the presentation, but then I lost it. Do you have all those test programs and everything on a site
Sorry, no, it's not on the site yet. But yeah, let me create a Git repo for that examples or yeah.
Yeah, so just enough to get started.
Okay. Yeah, let me do that.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll just go through the chat message and yeah, reply from there. Is it?
I wonder if in the color force, if everyone understood the number of spaces after a word determines the color.
You mean yeah, the Kolorscript. Yeah, it's because the coloring mechanism for VS Code is yeah. I use the regex and it will color the word based on this prefix spaces and
Well, George, you are invited for next meeting to keep showing us your developments with the GA144. It's really interesting, and also with Kolorscript. What do you think?
you mean using Kolorscript to program the GA144?
No, show us what you're doing. No problem. What you do
Ah,
is interesting. No,
okay.
you are free to show us what you do. No problem.
He's just trying to invite you to come back.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So yeah, I think as John showed earlier regarding Stockwatcher, maybe we can show it on the next. Yeah.
Excellent. Then I move on to our next participant.